Novak Djokovic winning a gold medal for Serbia completes the career Golden Slam. You know why I think this win is so important and why I feel complete as a tennis fan? Because I started watching tennis with Roger Federer. The first match I ever saw was the Wimbledon final of 2003. That was the first full tennis match that I actually watched, and I was like, I've been a lifelong Federer supporter since then. Then I saw Rafa, who started challenging Federer, and then came Novak, who started challenging them both. But Novak, I saw him in a match, perhaps the Wimbledon semi-final against Rafa in 2007 or some place before 2008 or around 2008, when he'd beaten Roger. And no, he was playing Rafa, and the way he was interacting with the crowd, the way, even while losing points, the way he was, I was like, this guy is bringing life to tennis, because obviously Rafa and Roger were the two big figures in tennis already by then, but this guy was winning big tournaments and was also having fun moments, and there was a lot of hilarious stuff that Novak used to do. But over the years, we saw Novak continuously dominate, at least challenge Rafa and Roger on their favorite surfaces. He's the only player, I guess, perhaps, to have beaten Roger multiple times in Wimbledon, Rafa multiple times at Roland Garros in the French Open, and which just amazes me. It's absolutely amazing the way what he did. Winning the most number of Grand Slams is one thing, 24 for men's, but completing it with a career Golden Slam. My heart broke the day Roger could not win his his gold medal in 2012. Lost to Andy Murray at Wimbledon in the Olympic finals. And till 2021, I was hopeful that Roger does it. But he missed the next two Olympics because of injury. And then he retired from tennis. But now that Rafa has done it, Novak has done it, I really feel complete, because every time I also used to follow Novak, and Novak used to miss out in the semi-finals almost always, and that was really heartbreaking. And for a person like Novak, who is actually in head-to-head he's better, let's not compare all three of them, but the person who has defied all odds, who has defied all the so-called stereotypes, for that person to complete a career Golden Slam and this generation of tennis, Rafa, Roger, Novak, whoa, feel really happy. In fact, even for Andy, the big four, I'm mentioning Andy Murray here because Andy Murray, the two Olympic gold medals that he won, Wimbledon, that he won US Open in 2012, everything he did for his country, Great Britain, and tennis in Britain. I'm really happy for the big four. Sad Andy couldn't win more majors, like more Grand Slams. Sad Roger could not complete a career Golden Slam like Novak and Rafa did, although he has a gold medal in doubles and a single silver medal. But all in all, these four guys, this entire generation, last 21 years of tennis that I've seen, has been amazing. And for Novak to win it now makes me feel complete. So happy on top of this world. Can't express. Thank you, love you guys, take care, enjoy.